a GERD. Oh my god, I'm a GERD.
Armor Gerd. What's up, everybody? It's Fit back at you again with another episode for YouTube. I'm playing Elf, HD's playing Inquisitor, Tomahawk's playing 12B, Hulk's on Garoshia, and we got Wyanie playing Jombra. We're actually queued up for GvG, and we hit Underrealm Ruins, but the other team had a couple people leave, so we know for sure that it's not an actual GvG unless they got really lucky.
Well, I guess you have posted a video of YouTube.
Oh, I did post. It wasn't, we were talking about on my stream on Camcord, we were talking about what videos I've posted on YouTube. Like concerning, like, have I done every single hero? Have I recorded every single hero in HOC and put it on YouTube? And the answer is, it looks like the answer is yes. That I have put every single hero, because the only one that I thought I hadn't done was Airfern, but I do remember now, that Nexer mentioned it. It looks like I did. Yeah, I put a funny video up of Airfern, but it was low quality and it wasn't a real gameplay video. So we'll try and do Airfern justice. I'll make sure I play Airfern soon. One of our viewers on Camcord asked if I could play Elf, and because Elf is getting changed, so just for old time's sake. And they said please, so I was like, all right, no problem.
Wait, how long is Elf's ult right now?
10 seconds.
2 seconds is, I mean...
Oh my god, 20 seconds. Holy crap.
Oh. Okay, that is, maybe that is a pretty big nerf.
That is a pretty big nerf. 12 seconds? Holy crap.
12 or 20?
I thought it was only 10. Wow, I'm so bad. It used to be 10, but then they buffed her.
I used to be number 1 on this map at the very beginning.
Your health is fading.
Is that a double kill?
No.
Your health is fading.
What are you guys doing? You guys are so crazy, man. Nice, Hulk. Oh my god, they're so dead.
Train? Where's train at? Did the train blow up already?
I don't know, dude.
It did. What the hell?
I'm gonna push out top lane though, because they're all chasing you bot still.
Is there one on that bush? Oh no, that was a creep. Okay. What? Thought someone was in the bush. Okay. They're all still bots, right?
I know, I'm coming bot for a gank if you guys want to get on them. They're all low. Oh my god.
Lag. Hey.
I did it, guys. I did it. Diaz, be proud of me. I switched targets and everything. It was nice.
How can I help you?
This is how you usually make people leave in trains. You just rape them beginning on. Like you literally just keep killing the whole team like this. And that's what we always did at the very beginning when this map first came out. You're welcome, HD. A Dugan. How much damage I can do to this elf? I almost walked into that.
You got my ulti.
I only needed 1 second on that ulti. They're nerfing Elf's ulti all the way down from 20 seconds to 8.
Welcome.
I think someone's in this bush. Nope, I don't know. Maybe. I'm backing it. Oh, okay. Auto attack on.
Tower destroyed.
No! Did she pull me? I didn't see. I wasn't on
Kill
it.
streak.
I'm popping off, bro.
Double kill. Kill streak.
Let me get the epic kill. Let me get the epic kill, you
Kill
assholes.
streak. Kill streak.
Yay! Thank you, HD. HD, you're so nice, man. Thank you. I'm like, let me get the epic kill, you assholes. All of you.
This is how you make people surrender. You just fuck them up.
Just dancing around.
I know, right? That's funny, man.
Oh. Oh, I am. Hey guys, don't worry, I ulted the creeps. Oh, you did? What? Oh, okay. That was really fucking delayed, holy cow.
Yeah.
Can anybody tank Herc for me? Or kill
No.
it? Or kill it with me? I mean, I don't think I can solo this, dude. I could try, though. I might be able to actually solo it.
That's crazy.
I did it. I didn't think I'd be able to do it for sure.
Limiting belief.
Wow, he just lost 2 of those spiders from us.
Ubiquitous snakes.
What the fuck?
Oh shit.
Coming down there, baby. Pull him out for me. Give me another epic kill. No. Oh. I'm coming, guys. Save the day.
Get your own epic kills, bro.
Kill streak. Tower destroyed. No. I can't.
Fine now. Wow. Okay. Okay. Not by anything.
Kill streak.
No, Hulk, I hate you. That's
That's okay.
gold. Yes, I got the catapult. I'm going back home. I'd have a king killer if you didn't do that, bro. Gosh.
Sounds personal, bro. Killing that off either way. Make sure
Alright.
you die again so you have most deaths.
Yeah, I'm feeding hard.
Same, bro, same.
Alright, if y'all can ult as tanks, I can do my ulti after.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Yay. That was so fun. Oh god, I...
Yo, nice stun, man.
Yeah, man, thanks, dude. That creep was in my way.
Kill streak.
Oh, shit. I'm out.
Oh my god.
Level 14,
Yeah.
9 minutes in. Alright, guys, thank you. Thank you. That was crushing people, man. That was a fun game. I mean, I had a lot of fun with my guild, dude. Thanks a lot for HD Unknown and Hulk and Tomahawk and Whitey coming out with Fit. We had a lot of fun. We got some more guild rank on Underrealm. Yeah, for sure. They say they want a rematch. I'm like, go.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, guys, make sure to follow me on Twitch, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, Camcord, all the live streaming platforms, all the fun stuff. Love you guys very much. And I'll see you all in the next video. And cheers to
Camcord.
the old, cheers to the old elf. She's leaving, dude. They're nerfing her.
Oh. Hadouken!
Yeah, forget about Twitch. Hate Twitch.